racetrack, that's how Daddy paid the bill. Every weekend as a boy, I'd follow him around. Each Sunday of the season found us in another town. Racetrack fever, Lord, it's in my blood. Racetrack fever, it's the kind of life I love. And when they wave that checkered flag and I head for victory lane, the roar of the crowd will send that fever to my brain. I was thinking race cars before I could even walk. I'd sit on Daddy's lap and listen to them drivers talk. When I was 10, the pit crew let me operate the jack. That day the winner took me for a spin around the track. Racetrack fever, Lord, it's in my blood. Racetrack fever, the kind of life I love. And when they wave that checkered flag and I head for victory lane, the roar of the crowd will send that fever to my brain. Mama knew at 17 her baby boy would leave her, 'cause like his dad, her baby had been born with racetrack fever. Racetrack fever, Lord, it's in my blood. Racetrack fever, it's the kind of life I love. And when they wave that checkered flag and I head for victory lane, the roar of the crowd will send that fever to my brain. Racetrack fever, Lord, it's in my blood. Racetrack fever, it's the kind of life I love. And when they wave that checkered flag